Hello everyone, so I will be unboxing the Hikvision Turbo HD DVR, the 7100 series. Okay, the 4 megapixel, it's go up to 4 megapixel. So I'm gonna open it and plug it, show you how it look like. It's the DVR itself. It comes with a power supply, a mouse, and screw for the hard drive. Okay. So this is the DVR. The 8-channel DVR is coming with a VGA port, HDMI port, audio in and out, LAN port, 2 USB port. Okay, so I'm going to switch it on and set it up. Now let's power up our DVR. Starting. So it's making noise because there's no hard drive in. So from here you click next, you select the language, put a password, and I'll put admin 1 2 3 4 5, confirm admin. One, two, three, 4, 5. You can, if you want to add the email address here, in case if you forget your password, so you'll be able to reset it. But you're gonna need internet to do that. You click activate. You just right click from here. Gonna set up the time. You can select your country from here. And the date format, day, month, year. So today it's 25. And the time. And then you click next. I'm gonna ask you to set up for the internet. You can just click next. If you don't have internet, go next. Asking you to add the IP camera. If we don't have IP camera, I'm gonna ask you to format the hard drive. There's no hard drive in. You click finish. As you can see here, I got already one camera connected. Okay, I got another one here. Right. Yeah, so this is the Hikvision Turbo 7100 series. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe. Ciao.